Jesus at the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Jesus. Jesus at the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Jesus, nothing else matters. Nothing in this world will do. Jesus, you're the center, and everything revolves around you. Jesus, Jesus be the center of my life.
Sekarang saya bertanya kepada pengantin pria Elia Hutajulu. Bersediakah saudara di hadapan Allah yang Maha Tahu dan di hadapan jemaat yang berkumpul di sini menyaksikan bahwa saudara menghendaki Christina Sidabutar menjadi istrimu? Apabila saudara beriman begitu dengan hati,
center of my life. Jesus be the center of my life. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. At the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. From beginning to the end, it will always be, it's always been you, Jesus.